Hello everyone, welcome to High School Mathematics channel. Today we are going to learn Class 9, Chapter 1 Real Numbers Example Sums. In our previous video we have seen 1 to 3 examples. After example 3 we had do these sums. So today we shall see that sum. See now, do this first sum. Find any 5 rational numbers between 2 and 3 using mean method. Let us see the solution. Here a equals to 2 and b equals to 3. We know mean method formula, that is a plus b by 2. So let us see. A plus b by 2 means here 2 plus 3 by 2, that equals to 2 plus 3 means 5 by 2. So rational number between 2 and 3 is 5 by 2. Now we shall find second rational number between 2 and 5 by 2. So we use the same method, that is mean method. So a plus b by 2 means 2 plus 5 by 2 by 2, that equals to, here this 2 we have to do LCM. So this 2 is going to multiply here. So 2 into 2, 4 plus 5 by 2 overall by 2. That equals to 4 plus 5 by, this 2 is going to multiply for the denominator. So 2 into 2, that equals to 4 plus 5, 9 by 2 into 2, 4. Therefore, the rational numbers between 2 and 3 we got here 9 by 4 and 5 by 2. Still now we find only 2 rational numbers between 2 and 3. Still 3 more we have to find by using the same process. Let us see how to solve them. Previous we got 2 rational numbers between 2 and 3. Now we are going to find a rational number between 5 by 2 and 3 using the same process. So 5 by 2 plus 3 by 2, that equals to 5 plus 2 multiplied here, 2 3s are 6 by this 2 going to multiply in the denominator, so 2 into 2, that equals to 5 plus 6, 11 by 2 2s are 4. Therefore, the rational number between 5 by 2 and 3 is 11 by 4. Still now we got only 3 rational numbers between 2 and 3. Now let us continue the process. Now we are going to find the rational number between 2 and 9 by 4. So 2 plus 9 by 4 by 2, that equals to 4 2s are 8 plus 9 by 2 into 4, that equals to 8 plus 9 17 by 2 4s are 8. Therefore, the rational number between 2 and 9 by 4 is 17 by 8. Now we got 4 rational numbers between 2 and 3. So, one more rational number we need to find. So, let us find the rational number between 11 by 4 and 3. So, we are taking mean of these two numbers. So, 11 by 4 plus 3 by 2. That equals to 11 plus 4 3s are 12 by 4 into 2. That equals to 11 plus 12, that is 23 by 4 2s are 8. Therefore, the rational numbers between 2 and 3 are 17 by 8, 9 by 4, 5 by 2, 11 by 4 and 23 by 8. See now, do the second question. Find any 10 rational numbers between minus 3 by 11 and 8 by 11. Let us see the solution. We have drawn a number line of rational numbers. On the left side of 0, we have written minus 1 by 11 up to minus 4 by 11. On right side of 0, we have written 1 by 11 onwards up to 9 by 11. They ask us to find 10 rational numbers between minus 3 by 11 and 8 by 11. So, we have round off the remaining values between them. Therefore, the 10 rational numbers between minus 3 by 11 and 8 by 11 are minus 2 by 11, minus 1 by 11, 0, 1 by 11, 2 by 11, so on up to 7 by 11. These are the 10 rational numbers between minus 3 by 11 and 8 by 11. See now example 4. Express 7 by 16, 10 by 7 and 2 by 3 in decimal form. Let us see the solution. 7 by 16. That means we are going to divide 7 by 16. So I have written here 16th table. Now let us do the division. We are going to divide 7 by 16. 7 is less than 16. So we have to place 0 point in the quotient. Then add a 0 here. Now 16 table 4 times 64. 70 minus 64, that is 6. Now 6 is less than 16. Since here we had a decimal, so add a 0 here. Now the number is 60. So 16 table 3 times is 48. 60 minus 48 is 12. Again 12 is less than 16. So decimal is there. We can place a 0 here. Now the number is 120. Now 16 sevens are 112. So 7 times 112 we have written. 120 minus 112 we got 8. 8 is less than 16. So decimal is there. We can place a 0 here. Now the number is 80. 16 table 5 times 80. So we have written here 80. So 80 minus 80 we got remainder 0 and the quotient is 0.4375. Therefore 7 by 16 answer is 0.4375. And we can say that it is a terminating decimal. Let us see remaining two sums in decimal form. See now second sum 10 by 7. That is we are going to divide 10 by using 7. 7 table 7 ones are 7. 10 minus 7 3 remainder. 3 is less than 7. So we can place a decimal here and add a 0. 7 table 7 fours are 28. 30 minus 28 we get a remainder 2. Decimal is there, we place a 0 here. Now the number is 20. 7 table 7 twos are 14. 20 minus 14 is 6. 6 is less than 7. So decimal is there, add a 0. Now the number is 60. We know 7 eights are 56. 60 minus 56 we get a remainder 4. Again this 4 is less than 7. Since your decimal is there, add a 0. Now the number is 40. 7 table 7 fives are 35. So 40 minus 35 we are going to do. 40 minus 35 we get a remainder 5. Again 5 is less than 7. So decimal is there, we will add a 0 here. Now the number is 50. 7 table 7 sevens are 49. 50 minus 49 you will get a remainder 1. 1 is less than 7. Decimal is there, add a 0 here. Again 7 table 7 ones are 7. 10 minus 7 3. So again we are getting same process. See here 10 minus 7 we got remainder 3. So this is a recurring decimal. So we can call this sum as non-terminating recurring decimal. If we continue the process of dividing here, we will get again these numbers repeated again and again. So that's why it is a non-terminating recurring decimal. So our answer is here 1.428571 bar. Bar means bar indicates here recurring decimal. See the third sum now 2 by 3. That means we have to divide 2 by using 3. 2 is less than 3. So we have to write a 0 point in the quotient and add a 0 here. Now the number is 20. 3 table 3 6 are 18. 20 minus 18 we will get a remainder 2. Here decimal is there. Add a 0 here. Again the number is 20. Again 3 table 6 times 18. 20 minus 18 again we get a remainder 2. Decimal is there, add a 0. Again 6 times 3 table it is 18. So this value is again and again we are getting same answer. So 2 by 3 means here 0.666 we got. That means 0.6 bar. Our answer is 0.6 bar. Here it is non-terminating recurring decimal. Recurring means here repeating. So our answer is a non-terminating recurring decimal. See now do this. Express first one 1 by 17 and second one is 1 by 19 in decimal form. Let us see the solution 1 by 17. That means we have to divide 1 by 17. So 1 is less than 17. We place here 0 point and add a 0. Now the value is 10. 10 is again less than 17. So again in quotient we placed a 0 and add a 0 here. Now the number is 100. 17 table 5 times 85. 100 minus 85 is 15. 15 is again less than 17. So decimal is there. You add a 0. Now the number is 150. 17 table 8 times 136. 150 minus 136, it is 14. That value is less than 17. So decimal is there, add a 0. Now the number is 140. Again 17 table 8 times 136. 140 minus 136, we get a remainder 4, which is less than 17. So decimal is there, add a 0. Now the number is 40. 17 table 2 times 34. So 40 minus 34, we will get a remainder 6, which is less than 17. So add a 0 here. Since decimal point is there in our quotient, 17 table 3 times 51. 60 minus 51, we get a remainder 9, which is less than 17. So decimal is there, add a 0. Now the number is 90.
17 table 5 times 85.
90 minus 85, we get a remainder 5, which is less than 17. Since we are having decimal, add a 0 here. Now the number is 50. 17 table 2 times 34. 50 minus 34, we get a remainder 16. So since decimal is there, you add a 0. Now the number is 160. Now we have taken 17 table 9 times 153. We get a remainder 7 here on subtracting 153 from 160. This division still continues. Why? Because our number is a non-terminating decimal. So our answer is 0.058823529, so on. So it is a non-terminating decimal. Now let us see the second sum in this. See now second one, 1 by 19. That means we have to divide 1 by using 19. Since 1 is less than 19, we have added in the quotient 0 point and added 0. Now the number is 10, which is less than 19. So we added one more 0 in the quotient and added 0 here. Now the number is 100. 19 table 19 5s are 95. 100 minus 95, you will get a remainder 5. Decimal is there, add a 0. Now the number is 50. 19 table 2 times 38. 50 minus 38, you will get a remainder 12. Decimal is there, add a 0. Now the number is 120. 19 table 6 times 114. 120 minus 114, we get a remainder 6. Add a 0 since decimal is there. Now 19 table 3 times 57. 60 minus 57, you get a remainder 3, which is less than 19. So decimal is there, we can add a 0 here. Now the number is 30. 19 table 1 time 19. 30 minus 19, you will get a remainder 11, which is less than 19 again. Since decimal is there, you can add a 0 here. Now the number is 110. 19 table 5 times 95. 110 minus 95, we get a remainder 15. Again this 15 is less than 19. Since decimal is there, add a 0. Now the number is 150. 19 table 7 times 133. 150 minus 133, you will get a remainder 17. 17 is again less than 19. Since decimal is there, you can add a 0 here. Now the number is 170. 19 table 8 times 152. 170 minus 152, you will get a remainder 18. So this division continues. So it is a non-terminating decimal. So our answer is 1 by 19 equals to 0.052631578, so on. So finally we can say 1 by 19 is a non-terminating decimal. See now example 5. Express 3.28 in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equals to 0. Let us see the solution. 3.28 can be written as 328 by 100. Now this value on numerator and denominator we are going to divide by 2. So 328 divided by 2 by 100 divided by 2. That equals to 328 on dividing by 2 we get 164. 100 on dividing by 2 we get 50. Again this value we are going to divide on numerator and denominator by 2. So 164 divided by 2 by 50 divided by 2. That equals to, we got answer 82 by 25. Therefore 3.28 is equal to 82 by 25, which is in the form of P by Q. See now example 6. Express 1.62 bar in P by Q form where Q is not equals to 0 and PQ are integers. Let us see the solution. Let x equal to 1.62 bar can be written as 1.6262 so on. Let us treat this as equation 1. Now we shall multiply both sides by 100. We get 100x equals to, now this decimal number after multiplying by 100, it shifts 2 places towards right. So the value is 162.6262 so on. Let us treat this as equation 2. Now we have to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So we get 100x equal to 162.6262 so on minus x equal to 1.6262 so on. So 100x minus x we get 99x, 162 minus 1 161. Next 6 minus 6 0, 2 minus 2 0, 6 minus 6 0, 2 minus 2 0 and so on. So we got here x value equals to 161 by 99. Therefore 1.62 bar answer is 161 by 99. See now, try these first sum. Find the decimal values of the following. See the first one 1 by 2. That means we have to divide 1 by using 2. Here 1 is less than 2. So write down 0 point in the quotient and add a 0 here. 2 table 5 times 10. So 10 minus 10, 0 is the remainder. So our answer is 0.5. 1 by 2 in decimal form is 0.5. See now second one 1 by 2 square. That equals to 1 by 2 square means 2 into 2, that is 4. Now 1 by 2 square means 1 by 4. It is nothing but we have to divide 1 by using 4. Here 1 is less than 4. Add 0 point in the quotient and add a 0 here. Now the number is 10. 4 table 4 2s are 8. So 10 minus 8 we will get answer 2. Here 2 is less than 4. Since decimal is there, add a 0 here. Now the number is 20. 4 table 5 times 20. So 20 minus 20 we get a remainder 0. Therefore 1 by 2 square means 1 by 4, which is equal to 0.25. See now third sum 1 by 5. That means we have to divide 1 by using 5. 1 is less than 5. So add 0 point in the quotient and add a 0 here. Now the number is 10. 5 table 2 times 10. So 10 minus 10 we get a remainder 0. So 1 by 5 is equal to 0.2. See now fourth sum 1 by 5 into 2. That equals to 1 by 5 2s are 10. That means we have to divide 1 by using 10. 1 is less than 10. So keep 0 point here and add a 0 here. Now the number is 10. 10 table 10 ones are 10. So 10 minus 10 remainder is 0. So our answer is here 0.1. See now fifth sum 3 by 10. That means we have to divide 3 by using 10. Here 3 is less than 10. So add 0 point in the quotient. Now add a 0 here. Now the number is 30. 10 table 10 3s are 30. 30 minus 30 remainder is 0. Therefore 3 by 10 answer is 0.3. See now sixth sum 27 by 25. That means we have to divide 27 by using 25. 25 ones are 25.
27 minus 25 remainder is 2.
Keep decimal here and add a 0. Now the number is 20. 20 is less than 25. So add a 0 in the quotient and also add a 0 here. Now the number is 200. 25 table 8 times it is 200. So 200 minus 200 we get a remainder 0 and the answer is 1.08. See now seventh sum 1 by 3. That means we have to divide 1 by using 3. 1 is less than 3. So in the quotient we shall add 0 point and add a 0 here. Now the number is 10. 3 table 3 times 9. So 10 minus 9 1. decimal is there, add 0, now the number is 10. Again 3 table 3 times 9, remainder is 1. Again decimal is there, we add a 0, then 3 3s are 9, 10 minus 9, again 1. So this process continues. It is a non-terminating recurring decimal. So our answer is 0.333, so on, that means 0.3 bar. See now 8th sum, 7 by 6. That means we have to divide 7 by using 6. 6 table, 6 ones are 6. 7 minus 6, 1. Here 1 is less than 6, so we have to keep a decimal in quotient and add a 0 here. Now the number is 10. Now 6 table, 6 ones are 6. 10 minus 6, we got remainder 4. Since here decimal is there, add a 0. Now the number is 40. 6 table, 6 times 36. 40 minus 36, we got remainder 4. Decimal is there, add a 0. 6 6 are 36. Again 40 minus 36, we got remainder 4. This division goes on. So we are stopping division up to here. And we have written our answer 1.166, so on. Here 6 is repeating. So it is a recurring decimal. So our answer is 7 by 6 equal to 1.166, so on. That is 1.16 bar. It is a non-terminating recurring decimal. See now 9th sum, 5 by 12. That means we have to divide 5 by using 12. Here 5 is less than 12, so add 0 and point in quotient. Then add a 0 here, now the number is 50. 12 table, 12 fours are 48. 50 minus 48, remainder is 2. Decimal is there, add a 0, now the number is 20. 12 table, 12 ones are 12. 20 minus 12, we got a remainder 8, which is less than 12. So decimal is there, add a 0, now the number is 80. Now 12 table, 12 6 are 72. 80 minus 72, we get a remainder 8. Decimal is there, add a 0, now the number is 80. Again 12 6 are 72. 80 minus 72, we get a remainder 8. So this process continues. So this number is a non-terminating recurring decimal. So our answer is here 5 by 12 equals to 0.4166, so on. That is 0.416 bar. See now 10th sum, 1 by 7. That means we have to divide 1 by using 7. 1 is less than 7. So we added 0 point in our quotient and added 0 here. Now 7 table, 7 ones are 7. 10 minus 7, 3. Decimal is there, add a 0. Now the number is 30. 7 table, 7 fours are 28. 30 minus 28, remainder is 2. Decimal is there, add a 0. Now the number is 20. 7 table, 2 times 14. 20 minus 14, remainder is 6. Since decimal is there, add a 0. Now the number is 60. 7 table, 8 times 56. 60 minus 56, remainder is 4. Decimal is there, add a 0. Now the number is 40. 7 table, 5 times 35. 40 minus 35, we get a remainder 5. Decimal is there, add a 0. Now the number is 50. 7 table, 7 times 49. Again 50 minus 49, we got remainder 1. Decimal is there, add a 0. Now the number is 10. Now 7 tables and 1s are 7. 10 minus 7, remainder 3. Decimal is there, add a 0. Now the number is 30. 7 tables, 7 fours are 28. 30 minus 28, we got a remainder 2. So if you observe means, here onwards again our division repeating. So we stop division up to here and we have written our answer 0.14285714, so on. That means here 7 after again these numbers were repeating. 1, 4, next 2 you will get. That's why we kept a bar here up to 7 only. So our answer is 0.142857 bar. It is a non-terminating recurring decimal. Today we have seen Chapter 1, Real Numbers, Examples 4 to 6, including do this and try these sums. Hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please like, share to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.